There are two types of doctors: primary care physicians, and specialists. Dialogue. At the surgeon's.
Hello? What's wrong with your leg?
I feel pain in my leg. I'm afraid it's fracture.
How did it happen?
I slipped and fell down on my leg. I felt an awful pain when I tried to get up. My friend had to help me get here.
You should have been careful. Well, we'll start with the X-ray examination. Now, sit down in this chair. The nurse will take you to the X-ray room. Okay, now I see. Unfortunately, it is a fracture. You'll have to stay in hospital.
How long do you think I'll have to stay here?
I think not less than a couple of weeks. Next time you'll be more careful.
Here are some difficult words from the dialogue.
Surgeon. A doctor who does operations in a hospital. Fracture. If a bone fractures, it breaks. To slip. Fall or lose your balance. Nurse. Someone who looks after ill or injured people in a hospital. Unfortunately, when you are mentioning a fact that you wish was not true.
Now, listen and repeat. I feel pain in my leg. I slipped and fell down on my leg. It is a fracture. Subscribe to our channel if you like this video. Have a nice day.